We are in the airport, just boarding. Goodbye, India.
Goodbye.
Thank
10-hour flight back to England.
What's your biggest takeaway, Jamie?
We've done this already.
On a different thing.
All right. What's my biggest takeaway? I don't know.
Yeah, fascinating. Great. Thanks for your contribution. Okay. Yeah, my biggest takeaway is don't lose your patience with your partner.
Yeah. You're already starting to. You already snapped at me while we're having chai at the airport. You see, you've learnt nothing.
Going back happily calm.
Social media o tabuk o video mang pilog viral lang tongo norok viral video ni mang pilugo nugui mang khana omo ongkha Gujarat ni Ahmedabad London thang tongmani Air India ni kaisa plane crash mani amo ingge sikang ni video mang pilirok ni tabuk social media o viral lang tongo norok viral video ni mang pilinu khana Manipur ni Khoraksa cabin crew bini video mang pili kaisa tabuk social media viral angjak tai kaisa hangkai British ni passenger ni borong ni Air India Plane crash inge sikangni video huni tabuk social media o viral angai tongkha tai norbo nugui makhana o video kanini mangpili video ni screen o saimangka o kaisa patimu kotor hacha ngthani khoroksani chomotkar babe ba miracle babe bini langma banchika hanui tai noro jotono saimambe khena je o plane total cabin crew soho total 242 jona passenger kajak tongmani